Hi Hannah, can you share the concept that Hosen creates the new showroom?
This is really a very good question. Actually, after visiting lots of the different countries and different customers, we got lots of the feedbacks and suggestions. So, there is lots of the very fashion tendency from the different era and even the designs, especially for after going to the ambient in 2023 spring time. So after coming back, we hope to make a new room to connecting about our products, especially for the new collections with our customers. And most importantly, we hope to create a very fresh new room for our co-workers. They can work here very cozily and very comfortably.
We have noticed that you have so many products in this showroom. Why you display them and choose them to display?
Well, this is really a big headache from the very beginning. As you know that after visiting different countries and markets, we also get lots of the suggestions and advice from them. Then we decided to 2 points, combining our customer styles with our craftsmanship from our 2 factories. We have 2 factories, one in Chaozhou, another in Henan. So we will display them like this way. There are 4 areas in our showroom. Firstly, you will see lots of the new arrivals of tableware here. And then you will find some home decors here. Even you will find lots of different amazing designs of dinnerware set. Of course, for the mugs and the cups, even the holiday season products, you will find it in Hosen showroom.
The Canton Fair is approaching. Do you have anything to share with our friends?
Of course. Firstly, we would like to say welcome to our booth. We have 2 standards in Canton Fair, so you will find the more details in 5.1 to 5.2. Welcome to find us. And secondly, of course, warmly welcome to our new showroom, and you will find the more connections with Hosen. And also you can make an appointment in advance with our team. Really welcome to Hosen.